Ah, shit! So for this project, you'll need some foam cushion, a pair of scissors, glue sticks, a glue gun, and a Sharpie marker. Also a stool of your choice. I picked up the Mario stool from IKEA for about $5. You'll also need some gold spray paint. I chose the metallic one. And you'll also need some trash bags to cover your work area, just so you don't mess up anything. I'm not giving a tutorial on how to put together this stool just because you may not even use this specific stool, but even if you do, the directions that come with it are fairly easy, so there's really no need for that. So let's fast forward. So once the stool is completely assembled, you can go ahead and start spray painting. You'll see me using an old tray to sort of block the spray paint from getting on any furniture or staining any surfaces that are around me. You don't have to use a tray for this. I just used it because that was what I had on hand. You could definitely use a cardboard, or you can do this outside if you want to. So once the stool is completely dry, we're going to go ahead and start cutting our padding to fit the stool. So you'll see me tracing around the perimeter of the stool, and then I'm going to cut, leaving about an inch around the circle that I drew, and you'll see why later. Then we're going to cut another circle around the perimeter of the stool, but using the exact measurements. You'll see me changing my mind here. I was about to do the same thing, but then I decided to cut it exactly to the measurement of the stool. And you'll see why that makes sense later as well.
Rolling up gas in strip club. Know I got a bag from the thick girl. Where the truck niggas at, Jerry Reed up. Got the bloods in the back throwing bees up. We gon' fuck up the comma. We gon' do M like McDonald's. We just a young stunner. Doing normal.
Now it's time to glue the foam padding down. We're going to take the larger circle that we left the inch around and glue that one down first. Then take the smaller one and glue that one smack dab in the middle of the larger one. This will give some more oomph for when you're sitting down. It makes it thicker.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
And to be completely honest, I can't tell you guys how the hell to get this faux fabric on this damn stool. Like, I just made it work. So we need the ends of this fabric to be like the skin on Lil' Kim's face. We need it tight as hell. So we're just going to take needle and thread and start sewing the fabric to the other fabric, like straight across from it. I'm honestly doing no specific direction. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm just making this shit as tight as I can and tying a knot. That's it. So at this point, the chair is pretty much complete. I'm going to vacuum the chair itself to vacuum out those stray hairs from the fur, vacuum my floor, clean up, and this is the finished product. If you guys like to see more videos like this, please subscribe and comment down below. Let me know what things you like to see. I am new to YouTube, so just let me know how I can improve as well. Thanks for watching.
Twerk. Girl, I wanna see you twerk. I throw a little money if you twerk.